Hi, I'm Hayden, the Unleash Space Makerspace Coordinator at the Business School's Centre for Innovation and Entrepreneurship. No matter what you're studying, we have a range of free workshops, programs and resources on offer for all students and staff at the University of Auckland. Whether you want to go on to be a leader of industry, social entrepreneur, innovator, inventor or startup founder, we have something to help you unleash your potential. I'm going to show you what we have to offer. Over here, we have membership badges for our new members. And health and safety equipment, like safety glasses and gloves. In this area, we have computers, where students and staff can work on things like Tinkercad, Illustrator, Fusion 360, design things in 2D and 3D, do some programming, and 3D print. Next we have a supply cabinet for material for the laser cutter and the CNC router. And these are our 3D printers. If you don't know how a 3D printer works, it's essentially like a hot glue gun. You have a filament, that filament goes through a hot end, it gets melted and squirted out the bottom, and layer by layer constructs a 3D object, like these. This is our CNC router. The CNC router is kind of like the opposite of a 3D printer. It uses subtractive manufacturing. You start with a solid block of material, and the router bit comes down and carves away material until you're left with a final 3D object. The laser cutter uses a high-powered laser to cut things out of 2D sheets. You can make things like laser cut wooden boxes, glasses, name tags, and even 3D objects by assembling 2D components. So this is the laser cutter itself. Inside we have the laser head. The laser bounces through mirrors and through a lens, focusing the beam on whatever you put on the bed. This is a wide format printer. The wide format printer prints on a roll of paper rather than sheets, so you can keep printing and printing and printing really long posters and banners. Here's our electronic supply cabinet. We have things like resistors, capacitors, LEDs, switches, Arduinos, wires, everything you can imagine. And these are all free to use once you're a member. Once you've got your components, you can join them all together with the soldering stations, and the extraction units suck away the fumes. This is the vinyl cutter. The vinyl cutter has a little tiny blade in the cut head. It moves around and cuts stickers out of a sheet of vinyl. You can make things like signage, decals for phones, cars, laptops, walls, anywhere you can stick a sticker. We even have a heat transfer vinyl, so you can make custom t-shirts. This is our vacuum former. The vacuum former uses a mold, such as this one. You put a piece of plastic over the mold, heat it up, suck out all the air, and then the plastic is formed around the mold. People have made things like custom chocolate molds, boat hulls, packaging. Next we have a arts and crafts supply section. Next we have the sewing machines and overlocker, so for joining fabric together, fixing things, anything textiles related. I even made these juggling balls. This is our mobile photo booth, where you can light up whatever you create in the space and take nice photos. This is our heat press. The heat press can be used to attach that heat transferable vinyl to t-shirts. And a laminator for laminating those big posters you create. Down the end we have a glute bridge, and here a shadow board, so we always know where to put back our hand tools. On my left and right we have tables where people can work on their projects. And here we have even more 3D printers. right back at the start, we have a cabinet for our power tools. Thanks for coming on our Makerspace tour. We're here in the engineering building, but we're open to all students and staff at the University of Auckland. Come visit us anytime, and if you'd like to become a member, visit cae.auckland.ac.nz for more information.